Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to change your email on XM Trading. And right here, if you want to do this, we click right in the top, then we go to settings, personal informations, and then we go to personal details. And then right here, you can find your email, but from here, we are not possible to change it. So what we need to do is we need to create a new tab and then go to xm.com. And then from here, we scroll down, and we go to Help Center. Then right here, we click on Contact Us. And then you have the option to use one of the four communication options to get help. We want to get the compose an email. And then from here, we type down in the subject, like changing email. Write down what you want, then maybe put a screenshot right here. Make sure that you select this one, and then we do send, and then they will check your email and probably will change it for you. It costs you a few days, but then after that, they fixed it. So this is the only way how to do this. Otherwise, you need to create a new account. And if you want to use the same account, you need to do this. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.